Hey you guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you're having an amazing day or night wherever you are. In today's video, I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. This is the routine that I follow on most nights. Yes, I'm doing it in the daytime because the lighting is perfect, but this is an amazing nighttime skincare routine that I absolutely swear by. If you're new here, hi, my name's Preeti. I'm India's first cruelty-free beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free, and I also talk about vegan beauty and lifestyle tips. If this is the kind of content that you might enjoy, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and continue watching today's video. I've already done a morning skincare routine. If you haven't checked it out, I'm going to leave the link up here. Please do watch it. It's a brightening skincare routine, great for combination oily, acne-prone skin. Brightening is not the same as lightening. Brightening means to even out your skin tone if you have dark patches, post-acne pigmentation and whatnot. A lot of people get it all twisted. It's not the same. Now, today's nighttime skincare routine is something that I follow on literally almost every other day or every single day. This is an anti-aging routine. All my anti-aging products are what I use in my PM routine, mainly because your skin is resting at night. You know, your brain is just resting it out. You're not stressing it out with external stressors. You're relaxing, and that's when your body can do better work in healing your muscles, tissues, and whatnot. Before I move into the routine, I need to put up a disclaimer that what might work for you might not work for me. Skincare, beauty, haircare is very, very subjective. The ingredients that I focus on in this video are something that you can find in other skincare products as well. You do not need to buy these specific products only. These are the ones that I absolutely love. They work for me, and that's why I'm recommending them to you. You are free to choose any other product that has similar ingredients if you want to follow a similar skincare routine. Also, applying eyeliner and eyebrows is not a PM routine. I've only applied them because the studio lights make me feel like I have literally no eyebrows, or my eyes look too squint, and I don't like that, you guys. And that's why even in my previous skincare routines, you'll always see me with eyebrows and eyeliner, like a little bit of eyeliner. Let's jump into the routine, you guys. I've already washed my face off camera, and the face wash that I've used is this little guy right here. This is the Eclat Acne Edit Acne Cleaning Face Wash. I bought this recently. It's been almost 2 weeks, and I am obsessed with this. This is a very, very good face wash if you have acne. You know what I like about Eclat is that none of their products have disappointed me. I'm serious, you guys. It's like the doctor shades for me. None of the products have disappointed me. They all work so beautifully on my skin. I've done a detailed review on all my Eclat products. If you haven't checked it out, please do check it out. I'm going to leave the link up here. I am going to make a part 2 very soon because ever since that video, I have bought a lot of other products to try out. Now, the reason why I've included this face wash in my PM skincare routine is mainly because it is stronger. It's not the most gentle face wash. It has salicylic acid as well as zinc, which is gonna not only remove all of the impurities, gunk and sebum and everything from my skin, it's also gonna calm inflammation. Zinc helps to repair damage on the skin. Another face wash that I use on alternate nights these days is this one right here. This has been my recent obsession since the past, I'm going to say 2 months. It's a very, very good face wash, you guys. This is the Bubble Facial Cleanser. It's not vegan. It's got royal jelly and custard apple. Very, very good stuff. Great for AM as well as for PM skincare routine. Very gentle. I absolutely love it. This was sent to me by the brand, and I am obsessed with it. Look at the quantity that you get, you guys. This is going to easily last you a year. Let's move into the toner that I have been obsessed with the past 3 or 4 weeks. I've been using this in my AM as well as my PM, even randomly through the day. This one's from Dot & Key, and this is the Hydra Essential Tonic. So it's a hyaluronic acid based toner, and I absolutely love this. I am in love with the hyaluronic acid range of Dot & Key because it works really well on my skin. Now, the brand says that the fragrance is naturally derived and it's not synthetic, but I personally feel it's synthetic, mainly because the fragrance smells the same across all the products. If it was natural, there would be a little bit of, you know, in and out, you know what I mean, right? So that's the only thing that is a little bit of a concern for me. I would like it if the brand was more honest about it. But that being said, the entire hyaluronic acid range has worked so beautifully for me, and that's one of the reasons why I collaborated with the brand on my Instagram for that video. If I wouldn't believe in the products, I would never collaborate with them. So let's spritz this right here. This is what it looks like. This honestly smells so good, you guys. As I'm pressing my face, I can actually feel a little bit of inflammation here. I think I'm gonna get a tiny pimple. Oh, I hate it when that happens, you know, when you can actually like feel pain and you're like, oh, that's a blemish. It's gonna be a pimple soon. Okay, now that my toner is almost 85% dry, I'm going in with my Niacinamide Serum. This one's from Eclat. You all already know this is my all-time favorite Niacinamide Serum in the Indian market. Hands down, one of the best that I have used. Very, very fast absorbing. You can easily use this in your AM skincare routine. It's so lightweight. A little goes a long way with this. Oof, it's a little watery. A little goes a long way with this. You do not need a lot of product. It is honestly so lightweight, you guys. It's so lightweight, so fast absorbing. I think this is the best formula for niacinamide. So we are gonna let that sink in for a minute or two, let that all sink in, and then we'll go in with the next product. So yeah, the Dr. Shades niacinamide that I've been trying out, it's a little sticky, definitely not for AM skincare routine, would be great for normal to super dry skin, but for combination oily skin, I feel that it just feels so heavy on the skin. I find it a little difficult to apply SPF and makeup on top of that, so I like to use that in my PM skincare routine. This Eclat niacinamide, on the other hand, is very lightweight, so you can use it in your AM as well as your PM. Now, like I mentioned before on the reels that I just posted recently, if the products already have niacinamide and your skin is performing okay, you don't need to invest in a separate niacinamide serum. So if you're using a moisturizer that has niacinamide, probably you don't need to get another serum. Now, the reason why I like to go 10% with my niacinamide is because my skin needs it. I feel like it performs way better when I have a 10% niacinamide on my skin. I feel like this video is going to be dominated by Eclat products. It's not sponsored, you guys. I just really like their products. And that niacinamide serum is my second bottle that I purchased from them. I'm now going in with my retinol. This is a 0.8% retinol. This is something that I purchased because a lot of you guys wanted me to try out the retinol from Eclat. And honestly, you guys, it's what, 2 months now? I am obsessed with this. This is so good. Little goes a long way. Really good for somebody who's already used retinoids before. It's not very strong and it's not too light also, so you can easily use it every single night or every alternate night. I really like the texture of this. It's not too watery. Okay, this should be enough. I'm going to let this all sink in. Look at how lightweight it is, you guys. It's not sticky at all. Look at that. It's not sticky at all. Very, very lightweight. I absolutely love it. Here's a tip for you all. If you're using retinol, make sure to use it in your nighttime skincare routine. Make sure to use it on your ears as well as this whole area as well. You know, your collarbones. These are all sensitive areas that will show first signs of aging, not just your facial skin. A lot of times people ignore their ears. I don't know why. Don't do that. Now, the 3 retinols that I've been enjoying, obviously this one included, the Eclat one, really good for somebody who's already done the whole beginner thing with basic retinol. This is really good for those people. And if you want something that is super boost, retinol, the Retinox from Pure by Priyanka, the new launch, very, very good stuff. I don't use it more than twice a week because it's very strong and it can really dry out your skin, but it's amazing. Highly recommended for somebody who's tried and tested and played with retinols for years and years now. If you are a beginner, Eclat one is not going to be the one for you. The Dr. Shades Rosehip and Retinoid, oh my god, it is so good. It is so good. I'm actually thinking of buying it so that I can start including it randomly in my AM skincare routine because it's very, very gentle. And because I'm going to be home all day, most of the days, that days I can use the Rosehip and Retinoid from Dr. Shades in my AM routine. Now I'm going to go in with an under eye serum. The one I'm going to use is from Eclat. I'm obsessed with this brand. I can't help it. This is a tightening and brightening serum. It literally says that here, and it does exactly what it claims. On my under eye area, my problems are puffiness and fine lines, slight discoloration here and there, but I don't have under eye dark circles. With this, I just take 1 pump and that's about it. You do not need a lot of product. And then I just do this and apply it right here. It's a little watery serum, you guys. It's not very creamy, so be a little careful. You can also take it on your eyes right here if you have slight discoloration. I've also noticed that this isn't the most hydrating serum. You know, it's not the most, how do I say this? It doesn't reduce dryness drastically. For that, I like using under eye roll-on oils. Those have worked really well for me. This works really well in combating puffiness and reducing fine lines on my under eye area. I really like it for that. Now, the reason why I'm using my under eye serum first is because I'm now going to lock it all in with a moisturizer. And because I do have under eye dryness, the moisturizer on top is really going to help lock everything in. So here's another tip for you all. If you have extremely dry under eyes, you can always go in with a thicker moisturizer that does not clog pores under your eye area over your under eye cream, which does not have active skincare ingredients like AHAs and everything. And that's just normal, gentle, has ceramides, peptides and everything that you can can easily apply all over your face without worrying about causing any melia around your under eye area. Because your under eyes are so gentle, clogged pores can just end up becoming melia, and you don't want that. Now, to lock all of this in, I'm going to use my all-time favorite moisturizer, and this is the BBFF from VAUNT Barrier Boost Face Formula. Really good stuff. It's got peptides, ceramides, bakuchiol, amino acids. It's also got niacinamide. Really good stuff. So if you don't want to use a separate niacinamide serum, you can then go in with something like this that has a little bit of niacinamide. Now, for my skincare needs, I feel that the niacinamide in this is very low for me personally, so that's why I went in with the niacinamide first. Niacinamide under retinol works amazing. It's a match made in heaven. Niacinamide really helps retinol absorb faster and better into the skin, and because niacinamide repairs your barrier, if retinol has any drying effects, you can then, balance all of that out. Now, with this moisturizer, I like to go ham. Like, I like to use a lot of this because I really like it. This is so good, you guys. I mean, it just surprises me how the formulation just works so good on most skin types. This is a very, very hydrating moisturizer. It repairs your barrier. You can easily layer this over retinol. This is such a fast absorbing, lightweight formula. It does not feel greasy on the skin at all. Great for AM as well as for PM skincare routine. Great for all weathers. And look at how matte it is. It's not mattifying per se, but it dries down matte, so it doesn't feel oily and greasy and heavy on the skin. This is a very, very good formula. Now, the final step, how can we forget our lips, you guys? I'm going to be using the lip butter from Earth Rhythm. This is what it looks like. This was sent to me by the brand last month. I have been obsessed with this. This is a very nice buttery formula. Look at that. It is so good. I think I got too much on. Oh my god. So I put too much on my lips by mistake. You don't need that much product. The tube just squeezed out a lot and I just went ham. But this is a lot. You definitely don't need that much. A little goes a long way with this. This is a very rich butter. Perfect for winters, perfect for dry weathers. If you live in the Middle East or if you live up north, Punjab, Delhi, where the heat is very, very dry, unlike coastal areas or even Bombay for that matter, you will love this butter. It is very, very thick. And that's it, you guys. This is my nighttime skincare routine that I do on most days. I'm going to say almost 5 times a week. I cannot go without my retinol. I love retinol for my skin. It really helps to reduce acne, inflammation, boost collagen production, and I wake up with the most plump skin the next morning. What's there to not like about retinol? Now, like I mentioned before, you do not have to buy every single product that I've mentioned here. I've given you guys a lot of alternatives as well in this video. You can also pick and choose the ingredients in different products, and then you can do a similar nighttime skincare routine like mine. I really hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit that like button. A lot of you guys have been asking me for this video. A lot of you guys wanted to know, how do you go about doing a nighttime skincare routine? And on Instagram, I can definitely do a quick 1-minute video, but I wanted to sit down and explain why certain products are used the way they are, at least for me in my skincare routine. Now, if you've used any of the products that I've mentioned in today's video, let me know in the comments below about your experience. I would love to know if these products work the same way for you or not. It's always nice to know how different products work for different people. As always, all my discount codes are mentioned in my video description. All of the brands that I'm affiliated with, I mentioned their codes. Thank you so much to every single person who uses my code. I appreciate you so much. I like how we help each other out. It's such a compassionate, supportive community. All right, you guys, I'm going to catch you in the next videos. But before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my previous videos right here. Hit that like button and take care of your skin. Bye.